Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're doing another one of my quick unboxings, and this time we're looking at this Neewer mini microphone that I picked up recently from Amazon. Now these retail for about $19, and when I saw this I thought, oh, this can't really be that good. So I thought, well, I'll get one of these and I'll do an unboxing and a microphone test just to see how good a $19 microphone could be. Anyway, like all my videos, let's get in the box, see what we've got, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out the box is basically these two items here, which are basically just your usual, a little bit about the company itself, and then this bit here, which is basically a mini manual guide on operating the microphone. And they're the first two items out the box. Next is a couple of cables. Now it includes two different types of cables. It includes one that you can use with your mobile phone that has the three different connection prongs on it, and then a standard double prong connection. And so you've got both of those in the box, which is handy. So you can use this with your camera and this with your mobile phone, and they are marked so you won't get them confused. And that's also included. So they're next what was in the box. Comes with two different sort of windsock type devices. Basically you've got a foam one, and you can use that for indoors, and then you've got this furry sort of dead cat type of windsock thing, and this can be used for outside to dampen the wind sound. So it's good that it includes two of these in the box. Comes with this little plastic stand, and basically this is a bit that allows you to mount it on a camera cold shoe, but you've also got a tripod mount on there as well, so you can use it on a little tripod as well, which is quite handy. And finally we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see it's pretty small, and it's definitely of a very familiar looking shape. Basically it looks very much like the Rode mini microphone. But the cool thing of this is basically the price. I mean, for $19 it's pretty damn neat. Now it's made of a solid metal material, which is pretty good. So next, let's go and test the audio and see what sort of audio we get out of this $19 microphone. Okay, so we're just testing this mini microphone out, and this audio you're hearing at the moment is coming from this microphone, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. So what I'll do now is I'll switch over to the Rode Mini Go microphone and give you a comparison between that microphone and this one to see if the sounds any different. Okay, so now we're on the Rode Mini Go microphone, and I just want to see how this microphone sounds compared to the Neewer microphone that you were hearing earlier. But do remember that this microphone basically costs 5 times the cost of the Neewer microphone. Anyway, let's go wrap this video up. Well, there you go. There's my quick unboxing and review of the Neewer microphone. And overall, I think this is a pretty good microphone. And for the price, you really can't beat this. Now, if you bought the Rode microphone like I've got here, this is basically 5 times the price of this. And I don't necessarily think this has got 5 times the quality over this. So if you were after a microphone for your camera setup and you were on an extreme budget, you could definitely get away with buying this. It produces reasonable quality, and it's certainly not going to break your budget. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.